Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Let's check out today's recipe. Firstly, heat a pan, preferably non-stick, then add butter. You can also use oil or ghee. I've used unsalted butter, then add chopped green chilli. Stir it until the butter melts. If you're using oil or ghee, stir it for a while. Then add finely chopped onions. Saute this until it's transparent. Now add 1 tablespoon of Maida or all-purpose flour. Mix it really well. Now add 1 cup of milk and keep stirring it. Bring this to a boil and adjust the flame as well. Now add cheese. You can use grated cheese as well. I've used slices of cheese. Make sure this melts completely. Now add 1 cup of boiled and shredded chicken. Mix this really well. You can adjust the flame here as well. Now let's season this. Add salt as per your taste. I've used unsalted butter earlier, so I'm using a little more salt here. Now let's add pepper powder as well. Stir it well as the filling starts to thicken. You can turn off the flame and mix it for some while. Now the filling is ready. Now take sandwich bread slices and let's apply the filling onto it. You can use brown bread as well. Cover this with another slice of bread and it's ready to toast. You can grill it as well. I'm toasting it here. Apply oil. You can also use butter or ghee on both the sides and toast it. Now these delicious chicken cheese sandwiches are ready to serve. Thank you everybody. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.